It's day 2 here for me in Istanbul, and one of the things I was told about are these dogs and cats. They're just so at peace with their environment. Like nobody comes up to them, nobody gives them grief, and they in return are just so peaceful. And look at this dog, he's having a good time with flowers. Anyways, today we're heading somewhere special, so let's check out the B-roll. Okay, so it's day 2 and we finally managed to get to Princess Island, which is also known as... what's the island called?
Büyükada.
There you go. And my friend over here, Gül, has got 2 amazing snacks, which are...
It's a Turkish simit.
Okay.
Actually, you need to try.
Okay.
But
What's the other one?
It's called çatal. It's the name in the English is actually fork, but it's funny.
Oh yeah, çatal in Arabic, yeah.
Yes, yes,
Fork,
çatal.
yeah it is. Okay, so we're gonna have some fork and the other thing. And we're heading off to the very top, so let's check out the B-roll. A new friend, say hello to Kitty. Kitty, where are you going? Wait, not your tail. Funny business. Hello.
She's so sticky.
I know. Okay, keep the tail off me. We have principles. Alright. Ooh, don't destroy my jeans. Come on. Okay. I'm taking her with me.
No, I'm scared.
What's wrong? I don't get it.
I didn't scare.
She's scared of you. What's wrong? Oh, so cute. Okay, the tail, keep it off. No, don't worry. The dog is moving them.
Animals are here. I don't.
And that's what you get at Princess Park. While our friend over here, she's struggling. Are you okay?
I am okay, but
What
I'm
is
just
worse?
afraid from the
Is
cats.
it the cats or the horses?
Cats,
Are you
of course.
sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Behind you. Over and out. Turkish bench. It's so creative, these people. Alright, check out the view and let's check out the B-roll. Eyes really closed?
Yes.
Do you want your surprise?
Yes.
Okay, here you go.
Can I open?
Of course, of course.
Thank you for buying this. I didn't expect the chocolate, you know. Let me turn. I'm going to eat ice cream.
I know, ice cream is definitely the way. But this is what I did. I kept it because I knew we were gonna get hungry at the very top.
I'm really hungry.
So there it is. Over and out. Okay, my friend over here, Gül, but her real name is
Gülistan.
Gülistan. There you go. I apologize for getting your name wrong. We've established one thing about Gülistan, which is the fact that her favorite dish is...
Dolma.
There you go. And I promised that I will make her that if she ever comes over to the UK. Preferably south of Manchester.
Yes.
I've never been north, so that's my thing. Anyways, off to dinner and let's check out the B-roll. Why are you so happy?
I'm happy to see the dog. Aww.
Okay, she's really clean.
No,
Please
I don't think
say hello to the kitty. Hello, kitty, kitty.
It's a smelly cat from France, you know? Smelly cat.
Oh, you're not smelly. You're really clean. You're so cute. Hello. Aw. You are clean. Oh, you're so cute. Aw. All right, over and out. Okay. My friend over here has just told me.
We are going to eat ice cream.
Yes. This is the best one in Turkey, or at least on this island.
Yes, in this island.
I know there's such a change of plan from the original thing, which was food, but you'll understand in a minute. So, over and out. Oh, very happy. Okay, we've finally made it to the restaurant. And what are you having?
I have sarma and börülce. I don't know the English word. Sorry.
No worries, no worries. What am I having? I'm a little confused.
You have sarma, yarma, börülce, lahana dolması, ciğer.
Happy days. Let's check it out. Over and out. Okay, what are we looking at?
It's different. I don't know the name of it, but it looks delicious.
I agree. I'm a little confused with the sugar on the strawberry. I mean, I thought strawberry is sweet enough, but let's check it out. Over and out.